Good morning, everyone. Today on World Environment Day, as the world speaks about sustainability, conservation, and climate action, let us turn our focus to one of the greatest stewards of the environment, the farmer. But in today's reality, conventional farming methods are struggling to protect our natural resources. Soil degradation, excessive chemical use, and water scarcity are growing concerns. This is where the integrated farming system becomes not just a method but a movement, one that balances productivity with sustainability, economy and ecology. IFS reflects the wisdom of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, where every component of the farm supports and nourishes the other. To explain more about this important IFS model, our class 10th agriculture students are here to share an information and inspiring presentation on the integrated farming system model. Their words will take us deeper into the world of sustainable agriculture, where innovation meets the tradition and where farming becomes a solution for both livelihood and environmental protection.
We are the agriculture student of class 10. It's our pleasure to introduce our integrated farming system IFS model, a complete, sustainable and income generating agriculture system designed to benefit the farmers, the environment and the economy. This model brings together multiple farming components to work in every inch of land and every resource in the most efficient way possible. This model is not just a farming method, it's a vision for sustainable, profitable, eco-friendly agriculture.
Let me tell you about integrated farming system. It is a holistic approach where different farm components like crops, livestock, poultry, fishery, horticulture, apiary and even agroforestry are combined in plain way. The main goal is to ensure maximum resources utilization, minimum waste and year-round income.
Now I am going to tell you key components of our IFS model. Crop production. We grow mix of cereals, pulses, vegetables, etc. to ensure food and income security, cultivated in a rotational and seasonal pattern for year-round supply. Crop residues are reused as livestock fodder or compost, that is a organic manure. Dairy farm. Our cattle, buffalo, sheep and goat provide not just milk but also wool and dung for compositing and biogas. This supports both income and energy needs.
I am going to continue components of our IFS model. Poultry farm. A source of quick returns through meat and eggs plus poultry droppings are valuable manure or fish feed. Compost unit. It converts animal waste, that is cow dung and urine, and plant residues into high quality organic manure that improves soil health by adding essential nutrients to the soil. It can also help us in reducing our dependency on chemical fertilizers. Biogas plant. It converts organic waste into clean energy for cooking and lighting, reducing fuel costs.
Now I am going to continue with fishery unit. Integrated with water, this adds another stream of proteins and profits. Fish farming utilizes water resources efficiently. Kitchen garden and Nutri-Garden. It ensures household nutritional security with fresh vegetables and nutritional benefits. Floriculture and horticulture. Flowers and fruit crops add beauty, biodiversity and boost market sales. Mushroom unit. A low-cost, high-return venture using agro waste recycles farm waste into nutritious mushrooms, adding income and sustainability. Easy to integrate, it boosts farm productivity, employment and nutritional security. Apiary means beekeeping. It enhances crop yield through pollination and provides honey, beeswax and income. It requires minimal space and integrates well with horticulture and field crops. Beekeeping boosts biodiversity, farm sustainability and offers employment opportunities.
Now I am going to continue with a key component of this IFS model, storage unit. A storage unit reduces post-harvest losses by safely preserving grain, seed and produce. It ensures better market price and food security by allowing strategic sale. Proper
storage improves our farm efficiency and income stability. Solar power unit. It provides clean, renewable energy for irrigation, lighting, and farm operations. It reduces dependence on grid power and lower electricity cost. This eco-friendly addition enhances sustainability and support climate-resilient farming, agroforestry, and boundary plantation. It integrates trees with crops and livestock for multiple benefits. They provide fuel, fodder, and timber and enhance biodiversity while protecting against wind and soil erosion. These systems improve land use efficiency and long-term farm sustainability.
Know why integrated farming system is important. It is important because it reduces risk by diversifying income resources. Zero waste system. That is, every output becomes an input. It ensures resource recycling, thereby reducing cost of cultivation. Increase soil fertility through composting and organic practices. Efficient use of water, land, and energy resources. Increased employment opportunities within the farm. Resilience of market and climate risk. Most importantly, it makes farming climate resilient and sustainable. So for its conclusion, I will say, our IFS model is a practical example of how traditional knowledge and modern science can come together to build a secure agriculture future. It's not just a farming practice. It is a lifestyle of sustainability. It ensures incomes, stability, environmental sustainability, and food security. Let us work together to promote and replicate this model for a better, greener, and more profitable farming future. Thank you for your attention. As we mark this Environment Day,